Welcome to the Wake Tech STEM Day. This is the second presentation of the engineering department with focus on special activities and projects the students participate. We are going to show some slides showing this photos of the students working on the competition and special projects. Some of the projects we are going to see here are the Rube Goldberg Competition, High Altitude Balloon Project, and the Trebuchet Competition. What is Rube Goldberg? A Rube Goldberg machine is a complex machine made of interconnect simple machines as ramps, pulleys, levers, wedges, etc., which are put together to perform a very simple task. The students are challenged to build a complex Rube Goldberg machine to pop an ordinary party balloon. Let's see some examples of these activities. Here you can see on the back to the left, behind the students, a trifold explaining what is the project, and on the right the machine itself, the Goldberg machine, and the balloon here to be popped when they put the machine to work. Another example here that we cannot see very well the trifold nor the machine, but we can see how the guys are happy to participate, and there are a lot of teams participate on this. Another guy, another teams, another guys. So a lot of examples how nice it is. This is a special one that I call your attention to. It is how innovative these guys were, because they used an instrument and took the parts of the instrument to build the complex machine. It was very interesting, actually. This is another group on the machine. You can see that everybody has his projects up on a table and they are competing. The judge comes and observes, asks questions to them so they can explain the project for the judges. Another group, very happy group, as a chance, that was a group of students that I taught, that I helped with this project, so I like these photos very much. This is the third place in the competition. That's the group in the project who won the third place in the competition. This one got the second place, okay? And this one got the first place. And there are prizes. We have cash prizes that we give to the students who get the first, second, and third place. There are other competitions that might have a prize or not, but at least you have a certificate that you won the competition. The second one is the High Altitude Balloon Project. This is also very interesting because the students are challenged to design and construct a balloon filled with helium to carry payloads of instruments to collect data. It's a NASA-sponsored project. Colleges all over the US participate in this project, and it's very interesting if you are interested in this area of aerospace engineering, and you can get visibility to your applications in the future. Here are some photos, and those are the guys presenting their project, okay? That's the payload, what the balloon should carry to the high altitude, and do measurements or take information from there, okay? Those are the students working in developing the payload. Here is the payload, a more detailed photo showing the payload and the instruments inside the payload, okay, because you have to have a protection on the balloon because the high altitude, low temperature, and other stuff. Here are the guys filling the balloon with helium, okay. Here, how the balloon looks, almost filled, okay. Here it's at the parking lot, preparing, testing the balloon to be launched. And here is after the successful launch of the balloon, when they are looking the balloon going up. So it was a successful launch. That was very good. Here we have the Trebuchet Competition. Trebuchet is a French word It's a type of catapult that use a long arm to throw projectiles. It was a common power of siege engine until the advent of gunpowder. Students are challenged to design and build a trebuchet and compete to see which can throw the projectile farthest away. Here are some photos showing also the students and their machines. And this machine is still available at Wake Tech, so one day maybe you can be able to see as well this machine and even play with it, make it work. Some are the students, some are the machines, okay? This is on the parking lot. Again, when they reserved an area to put the machines because they are not small machines and they have to be outside in this case to show. Another photo of the students and the people watching because they like to see this. So, in conclusion, and we say come to learn because we are at Wake Tech to learn. It's not only to have fun, but to learn while having fun at Wake Tech because those activities are really fun. Then you have a lot of interaction with other students, and most of them like a lot these activities. Thank you very much for watching this, and hope to see you. I hope to see you at Wake Tech in the future.